Hello and welcome to Owens House. My name is Zach Harrison and I'm the Assignments Coordinator for Housing and Residence Life. It is my distinct pleasure to give you a tour today of Owens House. Owens House is a 5-story building. It's the second largest residence hall on campus, and it's named after the local civil rights icon and longtime supporter of Old Dominion University, Dr. Hugo Owens. Owens House was designed with both indoor and outdoor community space, including this sprawling patio with all lots of great furniture. In addition to the community space, Owens House is a completely wireless building, the first of its kind on ODU's campus. Students can connect to Wi-Fi, no coax Ethernet cords here, and they can print wirelessly from anywhere in the building to a printer on the first floor. Behind me is the namesake wall in Owens House, where we are honoring the lifelong legacy of Dr. Hugo Owens. Dr. Owens held many traits near and dear to his heart, and 6 of them are remembered behind us. Educator, innovator, mentor, leader, activist, and lifelong learner. 6 values that we hope all students at Old Dominion hold dearly. We hope that every student, every staff member, faculty, and parent who come to visit Owens House will stop by this namesake wall, learn a little bit about the history of Dr. Owens, and aspire to be more like him as they go throughout their career at Old Dominion. Our next stop in Owens House is the front desk. Every residence hall on campus has a front desk. It's staffed 24/7 by our lovely desk receptionists. Desk receptionists are great. They are a pillar of housing and residence life. They are a major resource to all first-year students and upperclassmen students as well, and they will help you with anything that you need to do on campus or around your building. Our next stop is the Owens House Computer Lab. Again, state-of-the-art, top-of-the-line computers that are free to use for any student at ODU. You can print here. We've got Windows-based systems and applications on all these computers. This is open 24 hours a day, and it's also where our cybersecurity LLC students will come in and make their magic. This is the Innovation Lab in Owens House. This is a unique space that students in Owens House, and really any residential student, can take advantage of. This is a state-of-the-art, top-of-the-line innovation space. Students can come in here and collaborate. Any major, doesn't matter. You can design, you can invent, you can create, you can build in this space. It's very accessible. We've made it as inclusive as possible. We have lots of working space to get those creative juices flowing, in addition to some really high-tech stuff like 3D printers. How neat is that? Hey, over here! This is one of the community rooms in Owens House. They're sprinkled throughout the building. As you can see, a lot of community space where RAs can hold programs, students can get together to work on homework, study, maybe watch a little television. It's a great space where students can get out of their room and really just get to know each other and enjoy everything that Owens has to offer. Check out that view. The next stop is going to be an actual residence hall room. As you can see, all the furniture in here is custom made. You're only going to find it at ODU here in Owens House. The cool thing is, it was all hand-picked by students. So everything you see here has got input from the actual students who live on campus. Check it out, as well as the cool carpet. And this is a traditional double room in Owens House. Most students living in Owens House are going to be in a space very similar to this. As you can see next to me, it has 2 beds, 2 desks, 2 dressers, 2 closets, and a bathroom that is within the unit. The beautiful thing about Owens House is all the furniture in here is completely customizable. You can raise and lower your bed, you can move your desk from one side to the next. You've also got some unique little cubby storage spaces to kind of use how you see fit. The great thing is that this can make it feel like a home away from home. Any student who wants to live in Owens House can fill out the housing application standard just like any other residence hall on campus. First year students will fill out the housing application during the spring and throughout the summer, They'll then select a room for the fall and then get to move in August. Thanks for joining us on our tour of Owens House today. We hope you learned a little bit about Dr. Owens, the building, and everything that we have to offer here at Housing and Residence Life at Old Dominion University. If you have any questions, you can always stop by the housing office in Virginia House or send us an email at housing@odu.edu or a phone call at 757-683-4283. Go Monarchs!